Everyone thinks the best-selling flexible solar panels for RVs are automatically the best choice. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, you might find some surprising differences that can make or break your road trip experience. Product number 1, Renagi 200W Flexible Panel. The Renagi 200-watt flexible solar panel immediately grabs your attention with its sleek design and impressive specs, priced at $279.99. If you want high efficiency and flexibility for your RV, this is worth a serious look. It's bendable up to 240 degrees, making it perfect for curved surfaces. And with a 22% efficiency rating, it captures more sunlight than many competitors. Plus, it's lightweight and easy to install, coming with pre-drilled holes and solar connector cables. Now, some people complained about its price being a bit high compared to others. Here's the thing though, if you want efficiency and durability, this investment pays off in the long run. If you're looking for something that won't last, then maybe it's not for you. This is perfect for you if you need a powerful and reliable solar solution for your RV. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget, but honestly, the quality justifies the price. Product number 2, Eco-Worthy Solar Panel Kit. Next up is the Eco-Worthy 200-watt solar panel kit, which stands out at only $169.99. If you're looking for a complete solution without breaking the bank, this is worth considering. This kit includes everything you need for installation, like a charge controller and mounting brackets, making it super user-friendly. The high-performance monocrystalline solar cells ensure you're getting up to 21.5% efficiency, translating to more energy captured. Plus, it's built to last with a corrosion-resistant aluminum alloy frame that withstands harsh weather. Now, some reviews mention the installation instructions could be clearer. But honestly, if you're somewhat handy, you can manage just fine. If you're not up for a DIY project, this may not be the easiest option for you. This is ideal if you want a complete kit at a reasonable price. Skip this one if you prefer a more straightforward installation experience. Product number 3, Renagi 100W Flexible Panel. The Renagi 100W Flexible Solar Panel, priced at $138.18, offers a compact option for those who may not need as much power. If you're looking for flexibility without sacrificing efficiency, this is definitely worth a look. This panel is capable of generating an average of 500 watt-hours daily, which is quite impressive for its size. With the same 22% efficiency rating as its bigger sibling, it ensures you're not compromising on performance. It's lightweight, making transport and installation a breeze. However, some users pointed out that it might not be powerful enough for larger setups. Here's the thing though, if you're just looking to power a few devices, this will serve you well. If you plan to run multiple appliances, you might need a larger setup. This is perfect for you if you want a lighter, more compact solar solution. Skip this one if you need to power heavy-duty appliances. Product number 4, Renagi Flexible 100W Panel. Up next is another Renagi offering, their 100-watt flexible solar panel for $147.70. If you prioritize weight and flexibility for unique mounting situations, this panel is worth checking out. This model is ultra-lightweight, weighing about 70% less than traditional panels. It's also rigorously tested to withstand high winds and heavy snow, ensuring longevity. A downside is that some users found the adhesive installation tricky. But honestly, if you're willing to use the pre-drilled holes, it's not a deal-breaker. If you're looking for an easy adhesive option, this might not be your best bet. This is great for you if you want a lightweight solution for curved RV roofs. Skip this if you prefer a more traditional setup. Product number 5, Eco-Worthy 2 PCS 130W Panels. Finally, we have the Eco-Worthy 2 PCS 130-watt flexible solar panels, priced at $137.99. If you want power and flexibility without compromising on quality, these should be on your radar. The IP68 waterproof rating ensures reliability, and the quick installation features make setting them up a breeze. Some customers noted that the panels might be slightly less efficient than other brands. Here's the thing, if you're okay with a slight trade-off for flexibility and ease of installation, these are still a solid choice. If you need maximum efficiency at all costs, you might want to look elsewhere. This is perfect if you want a flexible and powerful option for diverse applications. Skip this if you're focused solely on maximum efficiency. So to wrap it all up, we have the Renagi 200W for high efficiency, the eco-worthy kit for complete convenience, the Renagi 100W for compact power, another Renagi 100W for lightweight flexibility, and finally, eco-worthy's dual panel setup for versatility. Each has its strengths, so pick what best matches your RV lifestyle.